Welcome back to another road trip. It's another still.
Okay. See this thing. Okay, tell them we need to go back in the other way. No!
On the relatively flat drive through the forest, you may start to doubt that you are approaching anything so dramatic. Just hang in there, and all of a sudden, a break in the trees will reveal a glimpse of something entirely different. Yeah, 231.
Yes! Do not take this road.
It would be completely worth it to drive around here just to see the view and turn around. But the best experience is to pitch a tent at the edge of the world and take it all in. There is no established campground, but this is a national forest land that allows dispersed camping for free. The edge of the world is a popular summer weekend getaway, but there is still solitude to be found if you come during the week or choose one of the more marginal camping spots. Camping is allowed with a 14-day limit. Fires are permitted except during explicit seasonal closures. Because this is an unmaintained public camping area, be sure to practice leave no trace ethics and thoroughly douse all fires. It is labeled as East Pocket on a map but known to locals as the edge of the world, the perfect nickname to describe this climactic viewpoint.
You can park next to Oh shit, what was that?
Below a craggy rim of volcanic rock, the land takes a precipitous plunge into an entirely different world of sandstone towers. The edge of the world overlooks all of it.
is the one who carried the ladder down. RJ is the one who helped us to cross the ladder.
Yay.
And of course, Wolf, Davis is the one who helped us to go up to the top of the wall. Tapos yung background is
You're the Jenga.
We might have to.
Tapos mahawak lang.
Wow, nice.
Hold on, baliktad yung screen.
Oh no. Hello, cows.
Oh no.
Oh no. Whoa. Oh, I don't wanna.
Uy!
Uy, sis na lang. Oh my gosh. Right here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the gate right there. Where do we come from?
That's where we come from.
Yep.
You're going the right
Thing. Thank you. Likod pa, uy. Ako talikod. Mano-mano.